shape, you'll be seeing something like this, and you wonder how they create it and these designs, and it actually looks very good. So it's got a lens shape. I call it a lens shape, and it's actually very simple to create, and we're going to do it right now. So it actually consists of circles and then the trimming part around it. So let's see how it goes. So we'll draw the circle first and then make a duplicate of it, and then we're going to adjust it and place it at the center. So once we're done, we're going to select the inner circle and the outer circle. So we're going to hold the shift key to select the inner and the outer circle. So once you select it, you're going to over to this tool and click on the trim. So when you select it and remove it, you're going to see that the inner part has been trimmed out. So we're going to draw a rectangle that we're going to use to divide the circle so that we can get a kind of a lens shape. So we're going to place it right here. So after drawing the rectangle and making sure it is vertically at the center, you're going to select it together with the circle with the shift key and click on trim. So when you want, after clicking on the trim, you're going to over to this place and rotate it to 90 degrees and also hold it with the circle and click on trim. So we are going to continue to rotate it at 45 degrees and trimming it also. So we are holding the shift key with the circle and clicking on the trim. So this time around we're going to invert it for the last one, holding the shift key with the circle and clicking on trim. So this is the final one, and we're going to delete this rectangle. So we're going to remove this rectangle and delete it. So you can see that the whole circle have been trimmed perfectly, and you can now bring in pictures and power clip inside the circle. So it looks like a wheel, so the lens shape. So just power clip it this way, and that's very simple. So we can also do it this way after trimming out the center circle, and then you place the rectangle this way and making sure that it's at the center and this is right vertical. So we are going to select this rectangle and rotate it in such a way that it will going to give an aperture shape after finishing it. So look at how I'm going to do it right now. So look at how I rotate it. So the trimming is going to be slanting, not straight vertical. So after that, you're going to select the rectangle and the circle with the shift key, and then go over to trim and click on trim. So this time around, before you move it, we are going to move over to this place where we have this center anchor. So with this center anchor, we're going to maintain an axis that we're going to rotate it through the circle to get a uniform cutout. So look at how I'm doing it right now. So move this center anchor right to the center of the circle and placing it at the center of the circle, making sure it's at the center. So we can now rotate this. So after rotating it, you select it with the circle with holding down the shift key, and then you trim. So we're going to rotate it and hold it with the circle again and trim it. We're going to continue doing it until we go round the circle. And here is what we have, and actually looks good. So you can just go ahead and get a picture and clip right inside it and have something like this. So it's actually very simple to create. Alright, so let's just make a simple design with it and see how it looks like. What do you think about the method? Drop it in the comment section. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. If you don't subscribe, do that now. Never miss a video from us. Catch you on the next one. Bye.